What causes excessive daytime sleepiness? Signs you might be missing. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that could be affecting your life more than you realize: excessive daytime sleepiness. You're not alone if you're fighting to keep your eyes open during meetings, or if your energy dips through the floor every afternoon. This common issue affects many people, but few understand the underlying causes. Let's unravel this mystery together and uncover the signs you might be overlooking. Excessive daytime sleepiness, or EDS, is more prevalent than you might think. It's that overwhelming drowsiness that makes daytime activities a constant battle. Beyond just a lack of sleep, there can be multiple reasons why you're struggling to stay awake during the day. There are numerous causes behind excessive daytime sleepiness. For some, it may be a lifestyle issue, late nights, erratic work hours, or frequent exposure to screens before bed. However, there are also more serious underlying issues that might be affecting your ability to stay awake, such as sleep disorders like sleep apnea or narcolepsy. Understanding the root cause of your sleepiness is crucial for addressing and overcoming it. Here to offer his expertise is Christopher Mosley, sharing his invaluable insights into these sleep challenges. Many symptoms of excessive sleepiness can fly under the radar. It's easy to dismiss constant yawning or a heavy head as normal, but these can be signs of deeper sleep issues that shouldn't be ignored. Are you relying heavily on caffeine? Do you drag yourself through your day in a mental fog? These symptoms might mean your body is sending you signals that demand attention. Sleep apnea is a leading culprit in causing daytime fatigue. It disrupts your breathing during sleep, prompting you to wake up multiple times a night, often without realizing it. If you're waking up feeling less than refreshed and struggling with daytime sleepiness, sleep apnea could be at play. Unchecked, it takes a toll on your energy and health. Another possible cause is narcolepsy, a neurological disorder that affects your brain's ability to control sleep and wake cycles. It's characterized by excessive sleepiness and sudden attacks of sleep at inappropriate times. Understanding these conditions better can help pinpoint if they might be affecting your sleep quality. Often, lifestyle choices heavily influence how rested we feel. Late-night activities, too much screen time, irregular sleep schedules, or high stress levels can disrupt your sleep patterns and contribute to excessive sleepiness. Adjusting these habits is a significant step towards improvement. Sleep hygiene refers to the habits and practices that are essential for sleeping well on a regular basis. Good sleep hygiene can help you get better, more restful sleep, which is critical in combating daytime drowsiness. This includes setting a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Now, let's talk about some practical tips to help you stay awake and alert. Begin each morning with a brisk walk or some form of exercise to kickstart your energy levels. Pay attention to your diet too. Stay hydrated and avoid heavy, sugary meals that can make you drowsy. Taking short, power naps can sometimes help, but be cautious about napping too long or too late in the day as it can disrupt nighttime sleep. One often overlooked factor is the environment in which you sleep. Ensure your bedroom is a serene sanctuary. Set the room temperature just right, use blackout curtains to block out light, and eliminate electronic devices to create a haven where restful sleep can occur naturally. Cultivating healthy sleep habits can change your life. Try going to bed and getting up at the same time each day to regulate your body's internal clock. A calming pre-sleep routine, such as reading or meditating, helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Your diet and the amount of exercise you get can have a profound impact on how rested you feel. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains fuels your body properly. Meanwhile, regular physical activity can improve sleep efficiency and duration. Even a moderate amount of exercise can make a big difference. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can greatly enhance your sleep quality. Practices such as yoga or deep breathing exercises before bed can promote relaxation and reduce the mental chatter that may keep you awake. Integrating these into your routine can be a game changer for your sleep health. There comes a point when lifestyle changes might not suffice. Recognizing when it is time to seek professional help is important. If you're still facing unexplained, excessive sleepiness despite adopting healthier habits, consulting with a sleep specialist can provide relief. Getting a professional diagnosis may open the door to treatments that you hadn't considered. Sleep studies can provide valuable insights into what might be disrupting your sleep, from sleep apnea to other conditions. Christopher Mosley shares invaluable insights and tips in this video to guide you on your journey to better sleep. His advice can help illuminate the path to restfulness for those who suffer from excessive sleepiness. Let's hear from some real-life stories. Many have turned their sleep lives around with just a few adjustments based on the advice shared. Listen to testimonials from individuals who found success by making informed changes after recognizing the signs of their condition, demonstrating that a good night's sleep is achievable. Embracing these changes for the long term is key to sustained improvement. By making gradual adjustments to your lifestyle and sticking to them, you can experience dramatic improvements over time. Let's recap. We've discussed the common culprits behind sleepiness, the signs you might be missing, and explored actionable strategies to make sleepiness a thing of the past. With Christopher Mosley's insights, you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate and improve your sleep health. Remember, you are empowered to take control of your sleep health. Piece by piece, these changes can lead you to wake up each day refreshed and energized. We encourage you to implement these strategies in your daily life. A few small steps can lead to substantial improvements in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. In the description, you'll find links to additional resources that can provide further reading and support on your journey to better sleep. We encourage you to engage with us. Share your insights, additional tips, or ask questions in the comments. We value your input and love the community that's being built around mutual well-being. Curious about what's next? Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll explore the link between sleep quality and mental health, an essential topic for lasting wellness. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to learn more about how you can beat excessive daytime sleepiness and improve your quality of life. Special thanks to Christopher Mosley for his expertise and input, guiding us all toward better sleep health. For further engagement, feel free to connect with us through our social media platforms. Links are in the description. With the right approach, better sleep is within reach. Here's hoping that you find the restful nights and energetic days you deserve. Until next time, sleep well.